guys, welcome back to the channel. So you've seen this kit before and my ideas for it and the cool wheels that have already been sent to me by Joey Mazzarella at Maz Designs for this kit, and I've been debating on if I should use the 67 Chevelle chassis or not. And I don't think I'm going to, even though it's already tubbed and everything. And the reason why is I was watching my friend Jeremy Strickland's channel. If you hadn't seen his channel, go check it out, Jeremy Strickland. He's only got a few videos, not too many yet. Go support that channel, small channel, getting going. But he had a build that he had used a NASCAR chassis under. And I'm like, well, that's a good idea. This kit got sent to me. Both of these kits were sent to me in the mail. I appreciate everyone who does anything for me. And especially when you send me a kit, it's awesome. Missing the glass. So the glass is missing in this kit. So it's like, you know, there's plenty of other Ford. Oh, the decals are missing too. So it's like, I could see myself busting into this and using some of the parts. It's 1/24 scale, so I was like, uh-oh, is that going to cause me any trouble? I don't think so. So, anyway, Jeremy Strickland had taken, I think it was a 55 Chevy or something like that, and he had integrated a NASCAR chassis under it. And it was like, that's pretty cool because that's straight up race chassis. You know, it's not drag, I understand that, but I mean, come on guys, it's a model car. We can make things work. So I was looking at this. Oh, there went something. Hold on. Don't want to lose any parts already. So, and not to mention, I'll be able to put some Ford into this Oldsmobile. So I went ahead and I glued the firewall on just to kind of give me an idea. It's got to be cut out, and because I've got it glued in here now, it won't go up in there as far. But when I take this chassis and put it in there outside of the firewall and the dash not letting it go up all the way, I am pretty certain the wheelbase is almost the same. So if you'll notice, let me line the, so here in the back that's lined up. Okay, so the wheelbase in the back's lined up, and then here I have nothing to point with. Here's a Sharpie. This is where, that is where your front wheel hub is, directly center of this right here, I think. Hold on, I'll get it. Well, I got it upside down, so yeah. So directly, I'm trying to get it in focus. Directly center right here is your front wheel, and I'm like, dang, that is almost exactly the same. Now it's longer. It has this front piece that may have to be removed. I'm just looking for something that's a little more racy. What I was thinking about doing, the interior, that's not very racy, but then when you just stick the body in here, you need some sort of door panels or something, you know. So I'm thinking about hogging out the interior part, leaving the door panels and the dash intact, and cutting the seats out, leaving just this shell so it will still block off over the rear wheels. And then I thought, oh well, I don't know what I did with it. I had a part from the 67 Chevelle. Where did I put the darn thing? It's, oh, here it is. And I know it says Chevy, you know, that portion in the back over the rear tubs in the 67. That won't work in this car because it has that long windshield. But I was thinking maybe remove the seats, all this, and then this tub will fit down over this, so you'll have the interior like race car floor. And I'm giving all my secrets away. What the heck are you doing, Matthew? But anyway, take this and put in place in here and give it that finished look back there without a back seat. Anyway, just a thought. But yeah, I think I will have to narrow this, obviously, with a big slick. That's not enough room with it under the body. There's not enough room. Oh, come on, get in there. That's not enough room. So what I'll have to do is bring this in somehow. I don't think it'll be too much of an issue, but bring it in and tub it out and get the tires under it. I don't like that look. I like, you know, that look. And heck, you can't even see that look. There we go. That's what I like. It's really deep, really low. Front wheels. Don't have any front wheels out here right now. Got a whole box of tires and stuff, but just to get it down under it, so it's sitting down on the ground. And I think with this NASCAR chassis, it's going to allow me to do that easier too, because it already has a very low center of gravity, and I can't press this up in there because of the firewall, but I'm going to cut that out. I wanted to use the firewall from the NASCAR kit, not try to put the Oldsmobile firewall. And anyway, just a thought. I'm ready to get started with this. My friend Fred Henry, we were talking the other day on the phone, and he said, or text, or I think we ended up talking on the phone. I don't remember if it was phone or text or what. But anyway, he had mentioned he bought one of the Hurst Olds 455. It's the same kit, scoops on the hood. And he said, you want to do a buddy build? And I've never done a buddy build. But since I was going to do this anyway, might as well. It's not like we have a time limit or anything. We're just going to kind of both work on them. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Tell me what you guys think. Have you ever taken, besides Jeremy Strickland, I've really never seen anyone else take one of the NASCAR chassis, monogram NASCAR chassis, and use it in, and maybe Jeremy didn't use a 124th. I don't know what scale his was, because you know you can use a 125th as long as it's AMT. And I haven't even looked at the AMT chassis. I don't know if they would be any better. But anyway, I think this is going to be fun. Again, this is just a preview, but I am going to get started on this thing. So the part 2 of this video is going to probably be some things put together, some mocking up and things like that. So give me some ideas, guys, in the comment section, and let me know what do you think about the integrating the two. Is it a good idea? If it's not, I'm still going to do it, but I'm going to also try to incorporate some of the roll cage. But I want to make a Pro Street, but a very aggressive Pro Street, one that could at any time hit the track too. So I think that'd be really cool. I saw a video of one just recently, and it was killer, and it got me motivated, and I want to continue on with this. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscription to my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video, give me some comments. Those are one of the greatest thing, the greatest asset of YouTube and having a channel is having the comment section. Sometimes, yeah, there's a rude person every once in a while, but you guys have a wealth of information that I don't have, and a lot of times I need that help. So don't hesitate to comment. Also, join the Facebook group. 2,400 members or so right now. It's a neat place to share your talents. So go over there and join the Facebook group. Go to hobbynutmodels.com. There is now a new link in the description of my models. Gosh, I can't talk. In the description of my videos, there's a new link to Hobby Nut. If you'll use that link, it will help me out tremendously. Click on that link to get to Hobby Nut Models, and then do your browsing, shopping, however you want to do it. But I encourage you to use the link that I have in the description below this video. And don't forget Teespring store, Patreon. Yeah, guys, it's great. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see this thing. I cannot wait to see this thing come together. So until the next video, I'm gonna get some parts cut, hacked up, hogged out, glued together, and we will be back to see what it looks like. I don't know. It won't look like that, and it won't look like that. So we'll see. Hey guys, you guys take care, and we'll see you later. Bye.